Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send money from one PayPal to another PayPal account. It's very easy, it's very fast, so stay tuned. So now we are logged into our PayPal account, and as you can see, I have blurred my information because privacy is at a high price in 2024. Now, how do you do this? You need to go to Quick Links, right? Or you can click on Pay and Get Paid. It's more easy to just click on Quick Links, which is send money. You don't need to use this, just use Quick Links. That's why it's called Quick Links, right? So click on send money and you will be brought to this page. Now, send payment to, right? Send payment to. Now, I have these people, for example, these are all PayPal accounts already. These are people that I have had dealings with. Either I paid them, for example, Brenda here, I paid for a project, and these others were former clients of mine. So for example, let's just use Brenda. Click on that, right? And then you all you need to do is just put the amount. For example, if you want to send, that, and she's going to receive that amount of money, what you want to do is click next. Recipient is currently unavailable to receive money. If you continue to encounter problems, please contact customer service. But since that can be done, it's still the same way. It's very straightforward and it's not very hard, and they will receive their money. But since this account seems to be flagged right now, I don't know what happened, but that's easy. That's how easy it is. All you need to do is use if you already have history with people, you just click one of these, right? But if you're just now dealing with somebody for the first time with a PayPal, you need their email address here. So just click the email address and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.